would like to inform you basically what we do at Maria Consultancy London office in Southall Broadway. Especially we do admission in UK universities and colleges, and secondly we do admissions in European countries, especially in Spain, Ireland, Denmark, Germany, France and Switzerland. We also help the students to getting admission in Canadian universities and North American universities as well. In Canada we have good universities, Canada West University, British Columbia University, and especially in Toronto and other provinces of the Canadian cities. I would like to put you another course in level 7, especially in hospitality management or in healthcare management. Of course, that will give you an added benefit in your career objective. For example, if you have a business management skills, then you can enhance your skills into the healthcare sector or in hospitality sector. You are working in hospitality sector already, I think.
Yeah, I'm working in McDonald's.
McDonald's, okay. So I think hospitality will be a better field for your career point of view, because if you have a double skills like in management skills and the hospitality skills, that will basically enrich your career objectives as well. So what will be happen then? Internationally, people are looking for multicultures and multi-skills peoples. So if you have a multicultural skills and multi-skill qualification, then you can get the benefit as compared to the other candidate that will be in the queue in the market. So they will give you the more edge and more opportunity as compared to the person who has only single qualification. That's why I'm giving you admission in level 7 postgraduate diploma in hospitality management in Bedford Regional College. Basic requirement would be, for example, for the Tier 4 visa is that you must have a UK border agency requirements of English language, B2 level English, that is equal to 5.5 in IELTS, listening, reading, writing and speaking already. If you have a majority of English speaking country degree, then English will be exempted to you. Number 2, you need the bank statement required 28 days. Okay, the funds should be held in your account for 28 days. And that money should be, if you are in the UK more than 6 months, then you need the reduced funds facility of £2,000, plus you have the dependent with you.
Yeah.
Yes, £1,200 for your dependents for 28 days. So almost you need £3,200 bank statement for 28 days. After the applying for the Home Office visa application, you will get acknowledgement letter or biometric letter, fingerprints letter. You must have to enroll for fingerprints. This is a UK border agency compulsory requirement. So once you get your visa, but keep in mind once you enroll for the course, you must have to straight away start your classes. There will be a timetable they will give you on the induction day, that how long your course would be and what could be your course start timing, for example 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, whatever. Finally, I would like to let you know more important things. Nowadays mostly colleges are cracked down just because of the attendance. Okay, attendance is compulsory in the university. Whatever the requirements they have, more than 80% attendance is compulsory, so you must have to attend your classes. Otherwise, for example, if you will not attend the classes, university or any college will report to you, Home Office, and your visa will be curtailed. Okay, so this is very important information I want to share with you. Please keep in touch with the university admin or course leader regarding your attendance. That's very compulsory. Okay.
Actually, from my heart, I have to say many thanks to them, because my visa was cancelled, my business visa, and when I reached this agency, really, I don't know how I have to say. Problem really from my heart I'm talking, so I want to say many thanks to them. That's what I want to say. And when I reached here, I was not in a position to start properly. That's from my heart I'm talking, not for any other publicity or anything. They are very good people.
So they help me a lot, and I recommend all the friends and my family. They're happy to help, so I'm fully satisfied with them.
Maria Consultancy is good and ethical consultancy in West London area. And due to Maria Consultancy, I got the best college of London, and I recommend all my friends to come and take their service of Maria Consultancy. And I wish Maria Consultancy for the bright future. Thank you.
Okay, I am very happy with Maria Consultancy because they give the good courses
They suggest the good universities and colleges to the every students, good education institute for the students. Thank you.
Maria Consulting is one of the best consultants in London, and they recommend me a lot of nice colleges and universities in London. They recommend me to them, and with a very short time period, I got my graduation degree from one of the nice recommended universities in the world. So I'm satisfied with Maria Consultancy, and also I will recommend all my student fellows who are here in the UK, and they are sacrificing a lot to get the education. So I will recommend you guys to come over here, and you will definitely get the success in your life. Thank you.
We also get admission in New Zealand and Australian universities. We have quite big range of the universities and colleges in Canada. The good thing is that we are the train agent of the British Council, and secondly we are the big partner of the study group, which is the internationally having 200 universities in the UK and international world. Maria Consultancy only help the students in getting admissions in universities and colleges worldwide according to their career perspective. So our main aim and objective is to provide these students ethical services, giving them a better choice to select a good university or college in UK and worldwide. Thank you very much for visiting our website mariaconsultancy.co.uk.
I came to Maria Consultancy for the first time to get admission to the university in London, and I was satisfied with their free and good consultancy service, and I recommend my friends and family to come to Maria Consultancy free and good consultancy service in order to take admission in universities and colleges in London. Thank you so much.